Everybody knows that Enzo Ferrari said the E-Type was the most beautiful car in the world, so I won't tell you again, but it is. But unfortunately, a lot of E-Types, when you drive them, don't go as well as they look, and they should do. So over the last 50 years, no model has probably had more attention from specialists in terms of modification and upgrades than the E-Type. They now stop better, ride better, go better, and even look better. This car is thought to be the ultimate iteration of the E-Type. It has the looks and the charm of the early Series 1. Covered headlights, hard top in silver or black as they were originally delivered, and on these rare competition wheels, which are exactly as per the early Jaguar competition cars. This car was supplied new by Henleys of London, Opalescent Dark Green, Roadster, right-hand drive with a 4.2 litre engine. Except not exactly as it is today, because over the last 5 years the car's had a total restoration, and on top of that has been upgraded to what we consider to be the ultimate specification. The most impressive thing about this E-Type is the engine. It's a 4.7 litre unit built and designed by Rob Beer, specifically with touring in mind. It's got bags of torque as a result of every internal part being to his specific specification. The pistons, the crankshaft, the valves, the camshafts, everything on this engine is an upgrade from standard. The only thing that looks standard is the appearance of the engine. Outside of the engine, the list of upgrades is exhaustive. The correct period hardtop, the Dunlop cast wheels, straight through exhaust system, tubular manifolds, uprated rear springs, torsion bars, anti-roll bar, diaphragm clutch, high flow air filter, solid steering mounts, silicon HT leads, silicon cooling hoses, upgraded cooling fan, alloy header tank, alloy radiator, upgraded alternators, starter motor, bigger brake calipers, braided brake lines, vented brake discs. It goes on and on. All of the upgrades in this car make it a really enjoyable and pleasant driving experience. It cruises very nicely at motorway or A-road speeds, and because of the extra torque afforded to it by the 4.7 litre engine. But when you kick down a gear, she really goes.